Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to teach you how to bake oat fufu. I call it oat fufu. Yeah, oat fufu. I have some left before, but it won't be enough for me, so I want to blend more. So all you just need to do is this is the brand of oats I'm making use of. This brand. You can make use of any type, but this is the type I specifically like. So all we just need to do is to blend it. Blending the rest. All we're doing is just to blend, and I'll be making use of my Max blend. Can you see it? Max blend. So let's have a look at it. Okay, I don't like the texture yet. Can you see it? It's not giving me that powdery form that I want. So it's supposed to be very, very, very powdery. So I'll blend it a little bit more. Max blend again. So let's check it now. Okay, we're getting there. We are almost there. Almost. Can you see? It still has this little grainy stuff, oats in it. So I want to blend it more so I can get that fine powdery form. Yeah, for me, I'm fine with this texture. Can you see it now? Yeah, it's looking like this our elubo. Oh, so I love this texture. Now look at it. This is what I'm talking about. Then I just pour it into my bowl. And I just break the lumps, because after grinding and you are done blending, so that's just the first step. You blend it first. You blend your oats first, the normal oats that you drink, because some of us, we don't like to drink oats. So another way you can enjoy your oats is by making it into solid and using it to take whatever soup you like. Okra, eforiro, egusi, whatever kind of soup you love. So this is another way to enjoy your oatmeal. Instead of just the normal one that we make, the one we drink and we add milk to, you can prepare it and turn it into a solid form and you enjoy it. It's really, really nice. Really nice. So now the next step is our water. Our water is ready. It's boiling already. So all we just need to do is add the oats flour, the blended oatmeal. You remember the blended oatmeal? Yeah. So we just add it bit by bit because the water is boiling already. You add it, hot. not too much. Then you mix up together. You add again. You don't need to be scared because this does not create lumps. You really get lumpy stuff out of it. So can you see the way I'm doing it? You match it against your pot. Can you see it? Then turn it. You do the same process again. Turn it. The same process again. Turn it. Can you see it? Just keep doing that. Then turn it. I want to add little because I want to. It's not going to be enough, so I want to add a little more. I want to reduce this my lights. I added more, so it's making it a bit hard to turn. So this time around, you know, I want it to expand because I saw it was not enough. It's not going to be enough for me to eat. So this time around, I'm going to add little water because it's very hard. The boiled water earlier. I'll just add little. I added water already, not too much water, just little. I'm trying to break it. Cover it for a bit. So after breaking it, I can add a little more water again. I want it to be soft. I don't want it to be hard. I want it to be soft, like, you know, that fufu texture. Right for a bit. I want to reduce the light. Yeah. So now I want to check it. Okay. Yeah. The secret to this hot fufu we are making is that when it is ready, you would know because it will drop. So that's the way to know that it is ready. You see, it's starting to drop. Can you see? It's drawing now. But for me, it's hard. I don't like the way it is. It's too hard. I want it to be soft and succulent. Like, I need it to be really soft. Really soft. Really soft. Can you see? It's still hard. So you can add water again based on the way you like your solid to be. It's every individual choice. For me, I love my solid to be soft. I don't like when I'm hitting it and everything is hard going down my throat. So hard. So that's why I added more water. So it's based on your preference. You get me now? It's based on your individual preferences. So the way I told you earlier, just continue to match it onto your pot, then turn it. Continue that way till you get your desired texture. Match it onto your pot, turn it, Match it onto your pot. Turn it. Can you see now that it's beginning to drop? See it? Can you see? It's drawing now. You still want to add little more water, just little. Little. Now I've added little. So you continue with the same way I told you to do it. So on it. Yeah, I've reduced my light though. I reduced the heat because I don't want it to just get done. I want it to get cooked little by little. Little by little. The more it stays on fire, the more this thing will draw. Otigina. Otigina means it's ready, it's done. I think it's drawing even than before. Now our hot fufu is ready. This is really healthy, very healthy. Not your regular amala, not your regular fufu, not your regular eba, semo that you eat. This is what we call oat fufu. Just blend it, boil water, then pour your fufu and turn it, and you're good to go. Really healthy, good for you. Yeah, nice, soft. Can you see? To my desired texture. It's soft. Oh, it's really hot. Now I'm good to go. Your oat fufu. Now I'm going to be combining it with a efori roll. Let us serve it. It's time to eat. Fufu. I call it oat fufu for me, because some people call it oat amala, but for me it is oat fufu.